Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and here's a neat little trick. I've got 100 lines that are 0.01 apart, and you can count stuff like that. There's another little trick. If you select everything, right down here you have 100 objects. Well, let's say you want to make this into rectangles and have them join every other one. Well, with an even amount of lines, if you will select everything with your pick tool and then select one end or the other end or both ends, then go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and remember it was 0.1, so my gap tolerance is going to be 0.11, and in that short a time, it converted all those into little rectangles on one end. The other end is still open, but you can do the same thing there. Select them all and close them. And now you have $50 objects because it made individual rectangles. I don't know that you'd ever use it, but it kind of gives you the effect of how joining curves work, because there were nodes at the end of this line. Let's just back up here. And if we look at this, there are nodes at each end. So if we select just part of them, you have to do it in an even amount of numbers. And it'll join, well, that time it only joined every other one. But if you join them all and hit enter, and then it's going to join them all. Well, that's really strange that it did that. Let me back up here, make sure I've still got 100 lines. I've got 100 lines. Select them, join them. That side might have already been joined. Go back and look at it, and there's your rectangle. And then you could join this side. You can actually do them both at the same time. Let's select all these, hit apply, and there you got little rectangles that you could fill in with the Smart Fill tool, and they'd be evenly spaced apart. Now, this isn't a way I would think to make a bunch of rectangles, but it just gives you an option of how that joining curves work. It's going to join curves within that space. Let's just do a little test. Let's back up here completely. And let's move this line up double amount. Now, if we select them all, select all this with the shape tool and then apply, it will not join that last line because it was too far. It was too far from there to there because my gap tolerance is just 0.001 basically difference. And it was 0.1 across here. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.